guys, Mrs. Dempsey here. We are going to be working on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Now, we have done 1-digit by 2-digit multiplication and even 1-digit by 3-digit multiplication. But today, it's a little bit different because we have 2 by 2, okay? So, the first thing that we want to do is something that I said to you in the first video. If you know expanded form, it's going to help you on this, okay? So if you think about 36, what is 36 really? Yep, it's a 30 and it's a 6. Over here, what is 25 really? A 20 and a 5. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that in a different color just so we can kind of keep up with what I'm doing. Now, just like the last time, we need to make boxes. So our first number, 36, has 2 digits, right? And it's broken into 2 different values, a 30 and a 6. So I'm going to do 2 boxes. I'm going to put my 30 on top and my 6 on top for 36. Now, my 25 has 2 digits and it's broken into its 2 values. So I already have 1 box, so I need another box. And I'm gonna make it so it's a nice square, okay? And you'll see why I do that. So now I'm gonna take my 20 and put it next to this box. I'm gonna take my 5 and put it next to that box. And I'm going to multiply, right? So we are going to look at our numbers. We have 20 times 30, right? So we can do 20 times 30 many different ways. But I'm going to use the quick trick that I'm sure your teacher has told you why and how this trick works. But if you take away the zeros, you have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, right? So I could put a 6 there, but that's not my final answer because it's not really a 2 and it's not really a 3. It's 20 times 30. So I'm going to take those 2 zeros that I ignored and I'm going to put them back in to get 600. Because if I counted 20 30 times, it would get me up to 600. All right, now I have 5 times 30. I can do 5 30 times. I can skip count by 5 30 times, but that's going to take way too long. So I'm going to do my trick. I'm going to cover that 0, and I know 5 times 3 is 15. It's not just a 15 because it wasn't just 5 times 3. It was 5 times 30. So I have to take that 0 and put them back on, okay? Now, we have those 2 done. Now we have 20 times 6. Right? So 20 times 6, the same thing. I can skip count 26 times, or I can ignore that 0 and do 2 times 6 is 12, and then remember to put that 0 back on because it wasn't 2 times 6, it was 20 times 6. And finally, 5 times 6, there are no zeros to worry about, and I could just simply skip count 5 6 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, do you think that we're done? Oh, no. We have 4 different answers, but we don't have one final answer. So we need to take all of these and add them back up. Because we broke it apart, right? And then we multiplied it and we got those 4 different answers. So I'm going to take the 600. Now I'm going to take my 150. Then I'm going to take the 120. Notice I'm going in order of the amounts, right? I'm starting at the highest amount and ending with the lowest amount, okay? So adding up all my zeros, I get 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 makes a 10. Drop my 0, bring that up to the top. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. My final answer for 36 times 25 is 900. All right, I hope that helps you figure out double-digit multiplication. 2-digit by 2-digit. Peace.